I don't know, I found it. River, best ride ever!
Best ride ever! Woo, rocking the boat! Rocking the boat!
Don't rock the boat! Don't rock the boat!
Wow. Really don't rock the boat.
I know, it hits the bottom. Well, this part's a little anticlimactic, but best ride ever!
Best ride ever!
Woo! Woo! This is it! Here, this is it!
Best ride ever!
Wild River, here we come! Wow, that actually looks pretty cool on the camera. So, how's the house?
Pretty good.
Yeah. Your family came back, right?
Yeah, family came back.
Yeah, how they doing?
Pretty good. Hot roast tonight.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm going over to Neil's house later. He moved into his new place. Probably going to go check it out. Yeah. I don't know. You got any plans tomorrow? I'm going to play bingo with my mom. I'm hoping for a big win. Wild River. All right, this is back on track. Best ride ever. Woo! Oh! Woo! Best ride ever. Here it goes. Whoa! Woo! There's water all over the phone. Best ride ever.
Best ride ever!
So yeah, I'm really hoping I can win some bingo money. I could really use it. Alright, I guess that's it. Best ride ever!